Hi guys, good evening. I had earlier mentioned that one of the members of the group had asked a query regarding getting these apartment names out of the addresses. So while there are a lot of inconsistencies overall in the data set, that sometimes you may have the apartment name, sometimes you may not have too much details at the beginning of the data set. But there is one thing which is good and consistent in the whole data, which is the comma. This comma acts as a separator for getting all the information. So I can use text to columns, but then the number of columns will again be inconsistent because some of them will have more fields, some will have less fields. So a better option is to use formula in this case. So I will simply start with a find function to locate that comma, and this is the number or the position at which comma was found. Then I will use this within the left function where I select this particular cell and get 27 characters or characters up to the comma. But in that case, if you see, the result also returns comma inside it. In fact, you can see all of them have a comma in it. So I don't want those many characters. I want one character less in the whole data set. Now, along with this, another issue that the user had was the numbers. The numbers need to be removed. So a quick way to do that is, of course, find replace, as many of you would have thought by now. But if you want to do that also using a formula, then you would simply add a substitute to this. And in the old text, you would have 0. In the new text, you would probably write nothing at all. So see, all the zeros are gone. There were some zeros here. Let me add one more substitute, and this time remove 5 and replace it with nothing. So like this, we'll have to add for all the numbers. And once that's done, your data will always be cleaned very easily. Yeah, so that was all. Thank you.